Hi there, so I got this anti-braking sync fast charging USB-C 100W cable, and I wanted to show it to you and give you my review on it. It came in this box and it is a 2-pack and they are 6.6 feet long. So I really love the length on these, very convenient. So you can use these to both sync devices or also to charge them at a very, very fast rate of 100W. And the cord is gender neutral. It's gray and black, made out of very strong, high quality material. And as I said, it's a USB-C. 6.6 feet. So this is one of them. And then here's your other. And it comes with this really nice little Velcro holder so that you can wrap this up and minimize it when you need to. So this is going to be great to just fit in your purse, in your pocket, to travel with. You can use it at home. You can bring it to your office. Again, if you're traveling, whether it's for business or for pleasure, this is going to be very convenient for you. And the long length is going to definitely let you branch out and, you know, move to, like if you're at a desk or something and using it, to use it that way. So I will show you how to use this. This is mine here, this USB-C plug. Just gonna plug it in. I'm gonna plug it into the wall right here behind me. And then I'm going to plug it into my phone, which is an Android. And then as you can see, I'll show you one more time, that it is indeed charging the phone. So this is working very well. I like the quality and the convenience of it, and I want to thank you so much for watching my review.